Hello, I'm Alexander Voyko, candidate of economics, associate professor of Department of Corporate Finance and Corporate Governance of Financial University under the government of Russian Federation. My scientific and research interests lay in the field of financial strategy planning and budgeting, industrial financial management, in particular financial management of energy companies. I've got significant practice of financial planning and budgeting in various businesses, and I've been always concentrating on power industry due to the actual problems from climate changes alongside with the necessity of maintaining of energy companies' value. Thus, I'm glad to introduce you our new course, Financial Planning, Efficient Business Decisions for Power Industry. The course is intended mostly for professionals in the field of financial planning and financial management of energy companies, but also for those attendees who are interested with queries of budgeting, energy resources, and performance measurement in general. As a result of studying the course, you'll get some benefits. Knowledges. Motives of implementation of financial planning in companies. Classification of plans and budgets. Different methods and calculation of future financial results. Special features of power industry within financial planning. Abilities. To maintain a system of operational and financial budgets due to financial strategy of a company. To determine necessary volume of sales, expenditures, and sufficient cash flow. To assess the efficiency of financial planning using special methods and tools. Skills. To forecast future financial performance of a company. To control and coordinate the activity of employees and business units within budgeting process. To manage internal and external factors that impact on financial planning, exampled by energy companies. The structure of the course is as follows. First of all, we'll talk about essence of financial planning and what purposes it pursues. There is a number of types of financial plans that may suit different businesses and provide necessary data for making managerial decisions. Moreover, we are going to discuss approaches for forecasting of financial results and operating activity of a company. There are some businesses and industries that work in conditions of high uncertainty, and one of them is power industry. What does it do to prevent financial and business risks, and how does it do to face various problems of energy production, resources supply, cost management? We are going to answer all these questions and a little bit more. Climate changes. Climate changes impact on financial and production strategies of energy companies. So financial planning within financial strategy will be performed considering external challenges. After then, we'll talk about technique of financial planning and disclose efficiency of budgeting. The classification of budgets will be introduced and explained according to samples from different companies and businesses. Finally, queries of how to predict financial indicators of company success or bankruptcy and how to control deviation of effective results from foreseen ones will be also depicted and spoken out. An important issue of establishing a financial structure of a company is a cornerstone of budgeting. You'll learn about financial structure of companies, exemplified by energy enterprises and its influence on the decision-making process. We wouldn't avoid discussion of stakeholders issue and agency theory. At the end, considering this one of the most important points within company's performance, dividend payments planning and share prices will be interconnected. The problem of planning of mergers and acquisitions, in particular in power industry, as a tool of maintaining of competitiveness and development is supposed to be introduced and prove its efficiency. The financial university provides all types of learning within the course, such as lectures and seminars in campuses, distant, online, and extramural trainings. The process of teaching the course consists of lectures and seminars. Computer and multimedia tools are also supposed, as well as demonstration and illustrative material during the lessons. In the process of training, attendees will be provided with the necessary set of teaching materials and manuals, other necessary information resources for the course. The university contains all the technologies and equipment to provide remote control for the course, so we can communicate being far from each other. If you haven't missed a webinar, you will be sent a link for the internet source and be able to download all the learning materials. Usually the link is valid for at least 5 days. If necessary, the course may be also conducted at the place of client destination. The course, designed for 16 hours of training, is practice-oriented and consists of 8 webinars of the duration for 2 academic hours per day, but not more than 8 hours at once. The course of Financial Planning, Efficient Business Decisions for Power Industry finalizes with the testing that includes all the themes and terms learned before within lectures and class works. Thus, if you are extremely interested with the subject of the course and want to improve your knowledges in financial planning, you are eagerly welcome. All the details of the course, as well as other queries you may be concerned with, will be discussed and clarified straight down on the course. So, see you and bye.